This week, I became curious about applying gold leaf to my photos. I've never tried gold leaf like this, but I really wanted to see what it would do to my photo transfers. Gold leaf is definitely quite fragile and less predictable, but it's beautiful.
Yes, it's true. Lately, I've been curious about including gold in my photo transfers. So I decided to spend some time exploring a few different ways it might work. So let's see what happens. It better work or else.
So first, I'm going to try to create a gold leaf background and then transfer my photo over it. And I think to make it easy, I'm going to use an inkjet print for the photo transfer, which is super nice because most of us already have one at home.
I just wanted to mention that I have no plan whatsoever. I'm just gonna try different processes, different ways, different techniques, and film what happens.
I know I'm supposed to use a special sizing or adhesive for gold leaf, but I'm just using matte medium because that's what I have. I worked a little with gold leaf in the past, but it's definitely more delicate than I remembered. It's so thin that even breathing on it can move it. I'm not really trying to control it too much. I actually like when it breaks in random places. I'm curious how much of this gold will show through the image later. We'll see. I really like that it doesn't look perfect. The little cracks make it more interesting. This is the inkjet photo I'm going to transfer. It's a photo I took in Portugal in 2019. At first, I was thinking I should transfer a black and white photo, but decided to go with color since I thought the gold might interact with the color in an interesting way. And I'm also curious how the gold will show through the lighter areas. I love working with my own photos. It makes the whole process feel more personal. It feels like the image gets a second life, and it also makes the artwork feel more connected to my experience, if you know what I mean. It creates a more intimate connection with the photo and the place where it was taken. I know this transfer doesn't look like much right now, but just wait and see what happens after the gloss varnish dries and I add a little paint.
Yeah, so I definitely love the way it looks already, but you know me, I have to paint everything. So I'm going to try this iridescent, I don't know how to say it, iridescent? Okay, let's try again. So I'm going to try this iridescent watercolor set, which I actually found in a garage sale.
Honestly, these watercolor paints are so beautiful, even just looking at them.
I think these watercolors might be a good match for a photo transfer over gold leaf. I think so. Yeah, I really hope these paints work the way I imagine they should work. Let's see.
I'm so glad I found these paints at the garage sale. I probably would have never bought them otherwise.
Okay, lovely. I'm so happy it worked. So now let's try something else. And I think instead of a gold leaf, I'm going to try gold paint. And instead of a regular photo transfer, I'm going to do the transfer with a gel plate. This will be interesting.
For this one, I'm keeping the background simple and letting the gold do all the work. I'm curious how the gold is going to behave on the gel plate. So far, it looks great. This is always my favorite moment when I lift the paper. Oh, that's actually really nice. I'm starting with transferring text because it's usually a little easier, and if it works, I'll try transferring one of my photos. And by the way, if you like these processes, you're going to love my latest books. They are available in print on Amazon, and the PDF versions are available on my website. So check out the links to the books below this video. Thank you. Yes, it definitely works. And purple over gold is really a lovely combination. I like it a lot.
Okay, so now let's do the same thing, but instead of text, I'm going to transfer a photo. Let's see. I think it's going to be really nice.
Obviously, I'm going to use purple again, and this time I'll use a photo I took in Venice Beach.
Oh, and I also wanted to show you another gold leaf process that I made in the past. Anyway, I ran out of time to recreate this process for this video, but maybe I'll explore it more in a future video. So let me know if you're interested to see how this process was done. So I'm definitely going to continue exploring gold leaf. It's really interesting and a little bit of addicting. But for now, these are the pieces that came out from this little experiment. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely had a lot of fun exploring gold leaf and gold paint. Thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for sharing, and most of all, thank you for your time. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah, no plan whatsoever, so let's see what happens. Sometimes it's good to just try different things, and then I discover something new, but sometimes I'm just wasting my time. So I hope I'm not gonna waste my time or your time. So yeah, hopefully. Yay. It better work, or else what? Yes, it's true. Lately, I've been... Yes, it's true. Lately, I've been curious to see how... I can do it. Come on, you can do it. I've been curious to see... I can't do it. Maybe I can't do it. Thank you for watching the bloopers. See you next time. Bye. So, yeah, and...